What's on the docket today? What will we document?
Hello and welcome to Doll Doc. Today's doll will be of a commission I received. I was excited to work on this doll because it gave me the challenge of making a doll look like an actual actor. My client wanted a Dr. Horrible doll who is played by Neil Patrick Harris.
Let's start doctoring.
I started out by making his outfit, which will be made in 2 different colors. In part of the series, he's in gray and white, and in another later half, he's in red and black. For the patterns, I deconstructed some Monster High clothes and modified them to what I needed. I sew the pants, hemming the waist and stitching the crotch, but not stitching all the way up the back. This makes it easier to get his pants on him. Then I hem the pants legs before sewing up the sides and carefully turning them right side out. His coat piece was a little tricky. The base I used was a vest that needed a lot of work to turn it into the lab coat I needed. I'm hoping to eventually make a pattern for it so that if you want to recreate this look, you can. And when I do, I'll put a link down in the description and also let you know on Instagram. Let me know below if you'd be interested in this pattern. Once both lab coats were sewn, I marked where I wanted the buttons, made holes with an awl, and added brads. On to his gloves. He needed 2 sets that could be changed out, so I used the Deuce Gorgon arms and a set from Heath Burns. For the arms of the gloves, I used pieces of note cards and painted the gloves with acrylics and a couple of layers of Mod Podge. This character also needed a cool pair of goggles. I had some small empty thread spools that I cut the ends off of. I added metal rings for details and pieces of note cards to bulk up the shape I wanted. I then used more note card pieces to fill it out before adding metal hoops for the straps to connect to and some detail created from the top of metal brads. Once the base was built, I sealed it with hard coat Mod Podge and painted it with acrylics. Dr. Horrible needed 2 sets of boots, so I modified some Monster High shoes, painted them with acrylics, and sealed them with Mod Podge. This face-up was a new experience. I wanted to get it to look as close to Neil Patrick Harris as I could. I used several reference images, studying his eye and brow shape as well as the coloring on his face. In the comments below, please let me know what you like and dislike about these videos. I aim to improve my content for you, and your feedback is greatly appreciated. Also, after the video, be sure to check out my Instagram. I have a giveaway going on over there since we hit 1,000 followers on Instagram. His hair is pretty short in the series, so I trimmed yarn wefts as I glued them, and then used some hair trimmers to style it. I find working with trimmers taking off just a little at a time helps with short hairstyles. Now that he's got a new do, let's put him together. So, do you like these more realistic dolls? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Also, if you liked this video, please blast the thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you'll know the next time I upload a video. Thanks for watching!